Hi, folks. I think you people are doing great and having your safest life over there. And I got to know that from 28 onwards, you'll be having your 12th board examinations. And I decided to do a strategy video how to score 80 plus in your examinations. And here is the video, first video, which is about the biology. And here is the strategy is to score 80 plus in your biology paper. And trust me that if you are go through these all topics and if you study these topics, you can score easily 80 plus. Okay, and these are all the most important topics which you need to concentrate on. So I'll be telling you the strategy to score 80 plus, and then your question paper pattern and the important topics which you have to cover. Okay, and let's start. So the question paper pattern, your question paper will be consisting of four parts. One is part A, and then this part B, and part C, and part D. So part A is about 1 marks question, and part B is about 2 marks question. Part C is about as usual three. Part 5 will be having two sessions. One is session 1 and another is session 2. Each session will be consisting of some questions, and each question carries 5 marks. So part A, the questions from the begin from 1 to 10, and there are 10 questions, and you have to attend all the 10. There will be no choice, and question may be asked from anywhere from your textbook. Okay, and these are the topics that I have observed in past 4 year question papers which have been appeared most of the times. Okay, that's why I have collected these topics for 1 marks question. That is, layer related questions will be asked, and RNA and DNA related questions will be asked, and then bacteria based questions will be asked, and then lacoperan based, and then mitosis meiosis based, which is most tricky questions will be asked from this particular topic. And then some scientific name based questions and some CVS based questions, and maybe any other. Okay, see, I'm not telling you that stick to my video and do learn, not like that. If you want to score more, do not stick to my video, do study all these topics, and other than this also you have to study to score more in your examination. So these are the topics which you need to see before attending your 1 marks questions. And let's move to the part B, which is about 2 marks question. You will be given with 8 questions, and you have to attend any five. Okay, so how many number of questions you'll be getting extra? That is 3 questions, bro. 3 questions you'll be getting extra. So it's luck by chance. You can attend any five easily. And here's the topics which is more important. One is hormone related topics, and second one is blood grouping and expected blood group questions. See, this is most important topic. See, you have to know, you have to there in a position to find out that. That means if a parent means mother and father. Your mother will be having A positive blood group, and your father will be having O positive blood group, and what will be the baby's blood group? This kind of a question will be asked, and you have to there in a position to solve that particular question. And then diseases, a depressing question, and then disorders of human, and then report to system, some parts. That means you may be asked to write about vast difference and vasa friends, yeah, all those things. Okay, these kind of questions. And RNA DNA topic, and histones and basic amino acid related questions. Okay, and then IUDs. So this all these are the topics, most important topic which has been appearing most of the times. And then part C. So you will here also you'll be given with 8 questions, and you have to attend any five. And here also you'll be getting 3 extra questions. Ta-da! Okay, and then so the question will be starts from 19 and ends at 26. Let's see the important topics. So this is most expected questions. It should be as a sexual reproductive structure of penicillium, sponges, mosses, and then hydra, just like that. The sponges is not a topic. No, no, no. Sponges is topic. Mosses is not a topic. But in hydra, okay, all these topics will be asked. After that, experiments. See, do learn all the experiments. Okay, millions ಅದೇ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. And then diseases causing viruses, and then effects, and then symptoms. All these things you have to know. And then infertility and associated reproductive technologies to overcome that particular infertility, and the nitrogen and phosphorus cycles, and ecological successions. See, this is the most tricky part for you, and tumba ide, and you have to learn all the topics. And if you learn this, definitely you can write this 3 marks question. Okay, and then alien species, and then flowering plants. It may be anything, ಆಟೋಗ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಟ್ರೋಗ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಥರ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ these are all the expected topics for your 3 mark questions. And one more I'll tell you at last, that one particular thing. And then part D will be consisting of 2 parts in a session 1 and session 2. Session 1 will discuss mana, you will be given with 6 questions and you have to attend any 4. Okay, so you'll be getting 2 extra questions. You'll be getting 2 extra questions. 2 extra questions. And let's see the topic which is most important. See, label diagram, I have mentioned few of here, and do not stick to this. You may be asked any random diagram over here, but one thing is, you will definitely get a diagram based question over here. ಸೊ ಮೊನೊಕಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಕಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋಸಾಕ್, ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಸಖತ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. Inheritance of 2 genes in pea plant with reference to the color and shape, and then the other features ಏನೇನು ಅಂತ. And then immunity and its types, and antibody molecules, and then human genome project, most important question. And then terminologies used in the tissue culture. Okay, and in part D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಷನ್ 2 ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋ that is male or female reproductive structure, and do not miss this question, please do learn. Okay, and then inheritance topics, and then waste management, and then recombinant DNA technology. And additional to this, double stranded DNA structure. Okay, do learn these topics. And this is all about the topics which are most important for to score 80 plus. And here is the strategy to attend the paper. Okay, first of all, biology means discipline, and biology means good handwriting and the diagrams. Okay. Okay, let's start. First most thing is, you have to present your paper neatly. ನೀಟಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಣಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್. And then third point is diagrams. Do write the diagrams in a systematic way and neatly. And then first most important topic is, do not write any rubbish things. That means, for example, 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 2-3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು. 1 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 1 ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. If there is a definition, that means you have to write the entire thing. Okay, if not, required amount of answer is enough. And then 5 marksಗೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಪುರಾಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ನೀನು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಿಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಸೈಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಯು all the very best. And best of luck. So thank you so much, and happy learning.